10. The clouds and the rain. Hello students. Clouds are one of the most fascinating sights to see in the sky. A cloud is a condensed form of atmospheric moisture consisting of small water droplets or tiny ice crystals. They represent a vital step in the water cycle. This includes the evaporation of moisture from the surface of the earth, the carrying of the moisture into higher levels of the atmosphere, changes into water vapor and form cloud masses, and the return of water vapor into water to the surface of the earth as rain. Without rain, no crops would grow, and we would perish off the face of this earth. In this lesson, you will learn about the clouds and the rain.
Lesson 10. The clouds and the rain. We need water to live. We get water not only from the underground but also from the clouds in the form of rain. The sun gives us heat and light. Due to this heat, the water in the oceans, seas, rivers evaporates into water vapor. This water vapor forms as clouds in the sky.
The clouds do not remain in the same place. They move towards the wind direction. When the clouds come across, we cannot see the sun, the moon, and the stars.
When the clouds are obstructed by mountains or forests, the cool air changes the water vapor into water. Then we get rain. When we get rain, the rain water collects in the streams, reaches the rivers, and finally the river water reaches the oceans. Again, the water evaporates in oceans, rivers, etc. and changes into water vapor and forms clouds. These clouds give us rain. Changing of water into water vapor and water vapor into water is called water cycle. White clouds cannot give us rains. Black clouds carry more water vapor, so they give us rain. Crops grow well only when rain falls.